Hi guys, so today is a beautiful day. I decided to do some gizzards, but recipe ni noma. So I called in my guy Kenton's kitchen. Kuja nisaidie. Ken, take us through.
So today we're going to do some gizzard gravy. That is,
Stay tuned. The ingredients you're going to use, let's begin with diced onions, then our gizzard, that's around half a kg. We have our sliced tomatoes, we've grated some garlic and some ginger. We have our chopped capsicum, we have our fresh chopped coriander, then we have our spices. Ken.
So we're going to use Spanish paprika, we're going to use some curry powder, cumin seeds, and then finally our black pepper. We're going to start by boiling our gizzards. So I'm going just to put it in a sufuria, our gizzards in a sufuria. Then I'm going to add a quarter tablespoon of cumin seeds. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic. Then you're going to mix this. And then we're going to boil till they become tender. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. So after boiling this for 10 minutes, I'm going to remove them from the sufuria into a sahani. Don't worry about the broth that has remained. We are going to use it to form our gravy. So we put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil on a pan, and then we're going to add our diced onions. Then we're going to stir. Cook till they turn translucent. Once your onions turn translucent, you're going to add our grated ginger and garlic paste, the remaining part. Then salt until the onions turn golden brown. So once your onions turn golden brown, you're going to add our gizzard. Then fry them for about 30 seconds. So now I'm going to add my chopped capsicum. Then my sliced tomatoes. Now we're going to add our spices. I'm going to start with Spanish paprika, just half tablespoon. This is just to add some flavor and some coloring. Then some curry powder, half tablespoon. To add a half tablespoon of turmeric. So I'm going to add salt to taste. Then you're going to stir and let it simmer for a few minutes so that we're able to cook the tomatoes. So over this, let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to So you're going to add our gizzard broth. So now we're going to add our black pepper. Just a quarter tablespoon. So We're going to mix this and then now start garnishing. Going to garnish using fresh chopped coriander. Have our gizzards with ugali and some skuma on the side. So that there is our skuma.